Well, hello everybody. I'm back and I got my temporary repair done. I left the straps on there as backup, but I put a piece of chain in here and I patched the cable here because the cable broke right there and it was too short to complete. And this is a backup right there, and then I had another cable running down along going to the belly right there. I called it my hula cable to keep the pole from hula dancing when the winds are blowing. But as you can see, I'm back up and running and making electricity. And just a second ago, I was about to step outside and it was snowing out here sideways. So the winds are picking back up and the snow was getting ready to come down. Not a nice situation. As you can see, the storm is right there and it's on the way. So my neighbors up the road are getting snowed on, and I'm going to be getting that in a few minutes because that's the way the wind's coming from. So I'm going to head back inside as soon as I put that strap on my solar panels there to help hold those down in case the winds come up any stronger. And then I'll work on fixing that when the storm is all over with. Anyway, I'm shivering like crazy. The wind chill out here is making it feel about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to close this off and head inside. This is G-Bear signing off.